In our previous session, we built the concept of blowing air to warm hands. This was done by taking the students out in the playground and making them experience it on their own. Moving further, let's continue to implement the zero investment innovative idea of experiential laboratory to explain to the students the concepts of blowing air on fire to burn. Begin by informing the students that now they will learn and understand about blowing air on fire to burn. Ask the students to gather around in a circle. Start a fire at the center of the circle. Warn the students to stay away from the fire. Divide the class into small groups of volunteers and assign them various tasks in assisting the bonfire. This is essential as working in groups will aid in developing students' effective communication skills and interpersonal relationships. Ask the groups to collect dry leaves, twigs, and other things for the bonfire. Blow the fire on the ground to spread and make it burn. Ask the students to note down the answers in their notebooks to questions asked. Start by asking, what was the need to blow air on the fire? Accept all possible answers. Thinking upon answers for questions like this will aid in developing their critical thinking skills. Following this, ask the students, did the blowing air on the fire help it spread? What did you see? Accept all possible answers. Observing and analyzing responses will aid in developing students' observational skills. Inform the students that blowing air helps the fire to burn with increased intensity. Tell the students that when the dry wind blows in summer, it leads to forest fire because blowing air helps the fire spread. Enquire with the students if they have heard about forest fires. At this stage, display the picture card of forest fire and provide them with information about it. Ask the students to find out about recent incidences of forest fire reports from news or the internet. Researching about this will lead in inculcating the values of environmental awareness among the students. Conclude by stating that air blown into the fire helps it to burn more intensively, and thus we have explained to the students the concept of blowing air on fire to burn. In the next session, we will lead the students to understand the concept of blowing air to cool things. See you there.